Okay, there is 185 with a classmate for Norwich. I will double check what one is in a moment. How many more times than I can. Okay, leaving now will be the 2017 East Midlands Railway service from Newcastle to Crewe. Being worked by a pairing of turbo stars. I expect, because of the Forest fans, I expect this to be full and standing, but we shall wait and see. Oh, that's the consent tram up there, 202D8 Solvents, the daytime one, the green one. The green code. So, leading the way is 17502. Well, suddenly we're only in the first code anyway. Not necessarily the first one anyway, but that's the second one. 17503 brings up the rear. Down there is an East Midlands Railway Meridian that will eventually be working the 2050 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras, starting here at Nottingham on the very far end of the platform though. There is a freight train due through soon, so I'll be able to find out what that is. And in fact, here she be. It'll be worked by Colas with one of their 70s with the all train from Kingsbury to Lindsay. 7804. It's like the branch that's making a bit of a racket there. We'll have some green VCD tanks coming up. I think about 2 of them. I think there might be a blue tank. Yes, there is a blue tank coming up as well. There's the first of the greens. Oh, do you mean this tank there? Oh, there's another green VC tank I can see in there. And there's the blue tank. Oh, say 244, more about the ladders on in there I can see. Nice pieces of tanks in there. As 17110 departs with the A2041 I think, or 39, I'll have to check. Cross country service to Birmingham New Street. 17110. Okay, pass on 2039. East Midlands Railway service bound for Sheffield. And that'll be worked by 158777. Okay, arriving in now is an East Midlands Railway turbo unit from the sidings. And it is a 2-car variant of Turbo Star, I can see. I don't know what the number is, but she is coming in on that platform. Now departing will be the 20... let me get this straight. The 33 East Midlands Railway service from Lincoln Central to Leicester, late running service. So here we have 170, 460. Plenty of people, it's always good to see.
Again, any customers attempting to board the 2050 East Midlands Railway service to London, so passengers on platform 7C. Please be advised that the service is now from the standing.
And there goes ECM.
To accept any more customers.
Well, it was 158858, I think. I think 1582 that were on the Norwich and they both went forward. They didn't split. It's coming in here is a terminating East Midlands Railway service from London St Pancras. And it is 222012 with the honours. There's also terminating the service, I think, from Workshop. Worker 17417 over there. Passing is a 2050 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Yep. 22013, medical order. With a very full service. Quite surprising they haven't, stuck a pair on that, but here I am. And the reason why I'm here is because the last day of 180 operation is today. So I come down for the evening to capture the last one running in action. There goes a tram. Okay, the driver is washing his windscreen. There we go. Give it a good old wipe. Very nice indeed. See all the suds. Those there in the middle of the jets. Couldn't have long windscreens on the 180s. Be a shame to see them go. We got the Meridian still, so hang on. Okay, coming now is the 2018 Northern service from Leeds with a 195. In the form of 195019. Lots of people on board that one. There'll be some barking in that service. Very nice, and I do like the 195s. They've got a nice sense of character to them. And that livery really does suit them as well. Okay, arriving now is going to be a terminating cross-country Turbo Star with a service from, I would want to believe, Cardiff Central, but I'm not sure. We'll double check. Bringing us in is 170-104. Plenty of people on board, this is always good to see. Turbo Stars playing as well. Very small first class, you know, which supposedly for some trains I find pointless, but there you go. Mainly Thamesing I find first class to be rather pointless, but yeah. Okay, 15019 is departing with a 2112 Northern service to Leeds. A bit late on the old recording start, but there we go. And it also says to Boston that went, so you'll just have to give me one moment. There was service to Boston that went, and it was worked by 17271, which I missed seeing. Anyway, never mind. Okay, arriving in now as a Turbo Star of some description. I wanted to say this is East Midlands Railway, and in fact it is East Midlands Railway, as another tram goes off. It was 215 Barcode year of a service bound for Shipson Street. In fact, this may even be a pair, it might be American crew. 17508 is leading. With 17272 bringing up the rear. An excellent Wales one at the back there. So one full aubergine, the one in the full aubergine colour scheme, and the other is ex-Transport of Wales / Greater Anglia livery. Technically Greater Anglia, though, because that is ex-Greater Anglia as well. That's a bit of a colour variety in that one. Plenty of colour there. And I'll have the 180 in the next clip. Okay, arriving in now for the final time here at Nottingham is going to be a terminating East Midlands Railway service from London St Pancras, worked by Class 180 Adelante. The last time we see one here, because I have to say, this is it for these units. There she is, a very bright light. I think this is just the one. We'll move over this way. There we go. Let's move it this way. Because here she be. 222-012 was waiting to form her service. And then here is said on Adelante. And it will be in the form of 180-110. Very nice indeed. I love it the last time we heard these squeaky brakes. Right. Back as a 5-car, obviously. Good to see. Very nice. And how are we looking on this train? Quite busy, I think. Yep. Quite busy service, that is. You can hear a boop, 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 boop as well. But yeah, that is quite a busy service that we got here. You can hear it. And I'll get the Meridian on St Pancras when she does visit the old departing. Okay, 17272 is heading out, along with 12508 for crew. Starting at Nottingham. All nice ones up from the guard there, thank you very much. Okay, departing now will be the 2125, slightly late running regular. East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras with 22212. Thankfully, it won't be the last time we see this. Forever. Well, for now. Until it gets withdrawn when the buy modes come in. Partly Voyager family fleet, the Meridians are. And that livery on them and the Atlantis really does suit them. Great colour scheme. I was also departing into Nottingham's office as well as also sending a key worker as we'll move here. And the Colas Green Centro returns again. Up there. So we made a little rocket there. And I shall get the 180 on platform 7 when she goes. Okay, now departing is going to be the empty coating stop move to Exeter Park sidings. With 180-110 never to be seen again with EMR. East Midlands Railway. Last time you'll see one here at Nottingham. Bye bye. Back as 5 cars. And there it goes. That's right. And off you go. There we go. As also coming in is a East Midlands Railway service from 158 for Norwich. Real-time trade will be required for this one, I feel. So I think we'll need real time. Yeah, we will. Unless I can read them. Right. Real-time trade is required for this, so we'll have to have a look. 180-110 has departed. Hang on. Bear with, I'll get my real-time. So, that's Liverpool line straight. 158, 783 and 108, 862 we're on it.